Good Tuesday morning, everyone. And if you're new here, I'm Jim Scott with your latest weather update with 25 years experience with the weather. As we continue the transition out of winter and start leaning towards spring, this week is going to feature multiple chances of rainfall right through Saturday. But right now, our focus is on what's happening from tonight into early Wednesday. We'll see occasional rain during the day today. Nothing overly intense at first, but the bigger concern arrives this evening through early Wednesday morning. That's when I expect more rounds of rain to move across the area. There is a high confidence that somewhere across Indiana and Ohio, a swath of at least 1 inch of rainfall will fall. And honestly, wherever the heaviest band sets up, 2 to 3 inches of rain looks increasingly likely. The one thing I'm fine tuning is exactly where that heavier rain will line up. But wherever it does, minor flooding issues could begin developing by Wednesday morning, especially in the low-lying areas and spots that tend to collect water. The Weather Prediction Center currently has most of our area in the margin risk for excessive rainfall, which means isolated flooding. And with the additional rain chances later in the week, the overall flood risk will gradually increase. So, while this isn't a major severe weather outbreak, this is more of a heavy rain and flooding story that I will be watching very closely. For now, let's break down the daily forecast and what you can expect over the next few days. Today we'll start off with patchy fog between 8 and 9 a.m., so visibility could briefly drop in spots during the morning commute. After that, showers begin developing and rain chances set at 100%, so everyone gets wet at some point today. High temperatures reach around 47 degrees with winds turning out of the southwest at 5 to 8 miles per hour. By the end of the day, most areas will pick up between 1/4 and 1/2 inch of rain. Showers continue into the night, mainly before 5 a.m. Wednesday morning. Temperatures stay mild and looking at a low of 42 degrees, and winds remain light and variable. Another 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rainfall is possible overnight. At this point, we're beginning to stack up meaningful totals. Wednesday showers continue through the day. By early afternoon, after 1 p.m., thunderstorms become possible. Highs climb to around 56 degrees with east winds around 7 miles per hour. Rainfall amounts during the day could add another 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Rain continues Wednesday night with a thunderstorm. It can't be ruled out. Low temperatures stay very mild near 52 degrees with south winds around 3 to 6 miles per hour. This is where the rainfall amounts could increase with another 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch possible. That begins pushing some locations into heavier rain totals. And Thursday remains unsettled. Showers and possibly a thunderstorm continues with the highs climbing to 64 degrees. Rainfall amounts Thursday alone could reach another 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch possible. By this point, we're watching for localized flooding concerns, especially in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Rain chances finally start to taper off a bit Thursday night. We'll still carry a 50% chance of rain with mostly cloudy skies and a low of 53 degrees. Hey, thanks for watching to the end and keeping updated on what to expect with your forecast. Stay safe out there, and most of all, try to stay dry. I'm Jim Scott at the Weather Desk.